I will not be walking out the door like this. Hello, beautiful. Today we're diving into accessorizing our beautiful curly hair. So today I have these beautiful curly hair clips. If you're anything like me, you know that finding a hairstyle that works with your hair can be challenging. We're gonna see how it goes and if it looks good. Okay. Step one is to use our leave-in conditioner to detangle our hair and make sure that also your hair clips are detangled so it can make your job easy. Detangle my hair. Our first hair clip has two clips and it's gonna go in the back like this. Same on the other side. And now you got yourself a trap, right? So what I'm gonna do at the end of this video is to cut the hair. I know some of you don't like when you cut the weft. To blend this in, I have to cut it. So let's keep going and then we're gonna cut and blend. See? Our next track is the one with the three clips. Just open them like this and insert them. I went wrong somewhere. Oh, I ordered 16-inch thinking my hair was that long. My hair 14 inches, not 16. So curls that I need is at the bottom. These curls right there is kind of loose. It may not blend with my hair, but let's see, okay? Next track. You know, that's crazy. I look crazy. Don't mind the craziness right now. I will not be walking out the door like this. This part, let's start using the gel. You know? Oh my god. Much I cut from one side. Oh my gosh, I love it. It looks like my hair. You can wear this hair anywhere practically. At the gym, at work, at school. Isn't this cute? It's subtle, but it adds the extra flair. I mean, especially when you turn. Yes. Always remember that when it comes to hairstyle like this, do it what works for you.